Discover tech-free hobbies for mental wellness.
Disconnecting from technology can do wonders for your mind. Exploring tech-free hobbies offers a break from screens, helping you relax and recharge. Let's look at 5 enjoyable activities that support mental wellness and allow you to reconnect with yourself and your surroundings.
Gardening, nature's therapy.
Gardening provides a soothing escape from daily stress. Tending to plants and working with soil fosters mindfulness, encourages gentle movement, and connects you to the rhythms of nature. Studies show that gardening reduces anxiety, boosts mood, and brings a sense of accomplishment with each new bloom.
Drawing and painting for mindful expression.
Engaging in drawing or painting invites you to focus on shapes, colors, and your own creativity. The slow, intentional process helps calm racing thoughts and brings your attention to the present moment. Artistic expression can be incredibly therapeutic, whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist.
Reading, an escape for the mind.
Reading is a tech-free way to step into new worlds and gain fresh perspectives. Immersing yourself in a good book encourages relaxation, reduces stress, and improves focus. Whether you love fiction, memoirs, or poetry, reading provides time for quiet reflection and inspires imagination.
Hiking and nature walks.
Spending time outdoors on a hike or nature walk combines gentle exercise with the mental boost of fresh air and natural beauty. Walking in green spaces helps lower stress hormones, enhances mood, and clears your mind. Even a stroll in a nearby park can refresh your outlook.
Cooking and baking, mindfulness in the kitchen.
Preparing a meal or baking treats engages all your senses, making cooking and baking grounding activities. Following recipes, measuring ingredients, and savoring the results keep you rooted in the present. These activities foster mindfulness, provide a creative outlet, and reward you with something delicious to share.
Reap the rewards of tech-free time.
Choosing a tech-free hobby can help you relax, boost your mood, and nurture your overall mental health. Explore a new activity or revisit an old favorite. You may discover new passions and a greater sense of well-being, all without the need for screens.